primetime news this evening, government to sign loan agreement with the IMF. The finance minister touts the benefits.
Health Ministry warns of increase in COVID-19 cases during the Christmas holidays.
And social cases to be released from hospitals to free up bed space. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, so much to think about this evening. Inflation has jumped to double digits, 10.3%. And I'll give you more on the data from Statin later in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. And Karen Madden is back. She's here to give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, argument done, at least for this season, and one school is claiming the tag, one college, in the battle for schoolboy football supremacy. I'll tell you more.
I'm confused. But anyway, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Have you seen improvements in garbage collection in your community since the rollout of the new garbage trucks?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.